In this video, I'll be introducing a new coding series on this channel. I'll be letting you know which project we'll be starting with. Spoiler alert, it is a multiplayer web game, as well as the technologies that I've chosen to make this happen. So stay tuned to know everything. Hello world, my name is Igor and welcome to my channel. In here you can find coding tutorials as well as coding challenges like this one. So if you like this video and want to support the channel, please feel free to drop a like down below and subscribe. So to kick off my YouTube adventure, I thought, what better way to create great and valuable content than by building project ideas from scratch. Not only would this generate lots of value-packed content, but also challenge me to first, be consistent uploading to YouTube, 2. Practice my skills and learn new technologies, and 3. Interact with code enthusiasts all over the globe. So with that being said, I'm now officially introducing the new series from scratch, where I'll be building projects all the way from idea to production with your help. For all the projects created within this series, the coding will be done on my Twitch channel live. You can find the link in the description below. And afterwards, I'll be creating and uploading a new video to YouTube with all the relevant changes that were made during the live stream and going through them with you step by step. So if you're interested in the idea, be sure to subscribe on this channel for the relevant updates and also follow me on Twitch to know when I'm going live. Now, I also want to let you know that at any point in time, you are free to make suggestions on what you think we should be building next or what you want to see built next. You can either drop a comment down below on this video or any of the other videos that will be coming. You can talk to me directly during the live stream on Twitch, or you can also reach out to me on Twitter, so don't be afraid. Now to reveal what will be the first project that we'll be developing. I'm gonna give you a couple of hints, see if you can get there. It is a web-based game, it is a multiplayer game, and it has a lot of hype around it right now. If you didn't guess it, it is Among Us. Now, Among Us is an online multiplayer social deduction game. It takes place in a space-themed setting in which players each take one of two roles, crewmates and imposters. The goal of the crewmates is to identify the imposters, eliminate them by plurality vote, and complete tasks around the map. The imposters, on the other hand, their goal is to covertly sabotage and kill the crewmates before they complete all of their tasks. Now, this is no easy feat, and I'm the first to admit it, but it's definitely a good challenge to kick off this series. It will involve state management, graphics, multiplayer functionalities at its core, and should be both fun and a bit stressful to complete, which is always a good combo, right? After a bit of research on the topic of technologies that could make this development possible, both on the back end and on the front end, I have settled on the following. I'll be using Next.js, an incredible React framework for the front end, with a ton of features that will ease the development and deployment process. P5.js, an open source JavaScript library for creative coding that can help you work with graphics and animation easily. It is completely web-based, so you can run your code everywhere, which is exactly perfect for this challenge. Next, Node.js, the infamous JavaScript runtime that will serve as the backend of the project and ensure that the game is playable by multiple people at once. And finally, MongoDB, which is a non-relational database for anything that will be data related and needed to run the game properly. Now, these were my choices to develop this project, but I'm interested in knowing what would be your go-to technologies to develop something of this kind. So feel free to drop a comment down below telling what would you choose to build this. Okay, now, full disclaimer, this is not intended to be a full clone of the Among Us game. We'll be implementing similar core features that will resemble the game and make it playable like Among Us, but will not be building an exact copy of the game. That would be both extremely difficult and probably infringing some law, so yeah, we're gonna keep it that way. With all of this, now the initial setup and the beginning of the development stage will start within the next few days on my Twitch channel, so be sure to hop on there, check out my schedule, know at what day and time I'll be live and what I'll be working on. Also, feel free to follow me on Twitter to know public announcements, or we can create some kind of discussion over technologies or how to implement certain features, and I'll be announcing also there when I'm going live if you're not following on Twitch. And this was it. This was the introduction of the new series from scratch that I'll be hosting on this channel. I really hope you liked the idea. I want to know your thoughts down below in the comments. Also, if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you the next time. Bye.